Good morning, beautiful friends in YT. Please welcome back to my channel, Billy Lupis. Hi! Yan mga kasama ko guys. Kakain kami dito sa Jollibee. Nagbibideo ako, ano ba? May prinsesa kaming kaibigan guys. Yan. Please come and watch my video, beautiful friends. Come. Sa baba tayo. Breakfast in Jollibee. Ayan. Happy birthday to me. Ayan guys. Very sweet friends. Ayan guys. Ayan. Bababa kami guys. Doon kami sa baba pupunta. Ayan. Today is my day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, ayan. Sa gitna daw. Ayan guys. Kain. Ayan. Happy birthday to me. Thank you friends. Thank you. Ayan, maghugas muna ng kamay, guys. Ayan. Oh, yeah. Ayan, bumabanat na si Prinsesa. Busy naman yung isa. Ayan, guys, kain na tayo. Ito naman ang akin. Of course, spaghetti. Ayan. Ayan guys, happy birthday to me. Kukunti ang spaghetti. Kasya ba sa inyo yan? Ayan. Kain muna tayo guys. Please watch my video, beautiful friends. May tissue ka dyan. O, ayan, tissue. Ayan. Asan ang asukal ko? Ayan guys, kain muna kami. Hop. Hindi siya gutom guys. Hindi siya gutom.
Sana all.
Ubus na.
Kalalakad.
Napagod siya sa kalalakad guys. Maaga kaming naglakwatsa. Ayan.
It should be rice.
No, don't eat rice.
Pag nga. Sabi mo same.
Chicken is pag daw. Ayan, dalawang chicken at saka spaghetti sa kanila. Ako naman spaghetti at saka yum burger. Yan guys. This is mine. Oh yeah. Ang bilis ko. Hindi siya gutom. Yummy. Oh my God. Kakapiranggot ang 50. Ay, may 50 pala, ano?
200 mo, $20.
Hindi. $13 ang sukli sa 200.
Anyway, it's your day.
Yes, doesn't mind. Happy birthday, happy spaghetti. Yan guys. Happy spaghetti day. Asan na? Magsubo ka na. Happy spaghetti day. Oh, tao. Ayun. Ayan. Ito naman guys. Oh, sobrang sarap ng spaghetti ng Jollibee. Ito talaga ang pinupuntahan ko dito. Uy, ubos na ang spaghetti guys. Yummy. Ito ang spaghetti, ang Jollibee guys. Ayan.
Sayang yung pera, boy.
Sa baba ang luwang ng kwan na. Ayan guys. Ayan. Malapit na maubos guys. Tungan mo siya. Hindi niya kayang kainin, ubusin lahat yun. Huy!
Ito.
Yummy. Sinso ang mundo, guys. Girl daw. Ang haba ng buhok niya, guys. Ayan. Please watch my video, beautiful friends. Eating in Jollibee.
Kung bigat, wala na bigat.
Ayan, guys. Wow, sana all di off. Ayan, guys.
Pakto na bigat, itong biyernes.
Ito ang birthday.
Pananag, kumano daw mong bigat lagi kami niya. Napanak.
Thank you for watching, beautiful friends. Dito kami sa Jollibee. Kunti lang ang tao, guys. Breakfast kasi. Breakfast.
Edit ko ba yan?
Ha?
Edit ko pa.
Oo, kinukuha ko lang sa cut-cut.
Nag-edit ka pa.
Hindi ako nag-edit, hindi ako marunong. Kung ano ito na. Ganun na lang. Yan, guys. Wala akong time pati na mag-edit. Thank you for watching. So, happy birthday to me. Yan. Anong pangalan mo pala, Be?
Banet.
Vanessa.
Bagay ba sa akin?
Bagay na bagay. Friend, anong pangalan mo, friend?
Tiniprankin na.
Vanessa.
Ang dali tiniprankin na.
Thank you for watching, guys. Mayroon akong kaibigan, friend, Vanessa. Pero sa kanyang Facebook is Athena. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Guys, pagkatapos namin kumain sa Jollibee, nagdaan kami dito sa Catholic Church para mag-visit, guys. Ayan, dito kami. Happy blessed Wednesday morning, beautiful friends. Thank you for watching. Today is my day. Happy birthday to me. Today, while the blossom still cling to the vine, I'll taste your strawberries. I'll drink your sweet wine. A million tomorrows shall all pass away. Ere I'll forget all the joy that is mine today. Today is my day. I'll be a Dante and I'll be a river. You'll know who I am by the song that I sing. I'll face at your table. I'll sleep in your clover. Who cares what tomorrow shall bring? Today, while the blossom still cling to the ground, I taste your strawberries. I'll drink your sweet wine. A million tomorrows shall all pass away. Ere I'll forget all the joy that is mine. Today is my day, and thank you God for giving this another day. I be contented with yesterday glory. I can't live on promises. Winter to spring. Today is my moment, and now is my story. I love and I cry and I sing. Today, while the blossom still cling to the vine, I'll taste your strawberries. I'll drink your sweet wine. A million tomorrows shall all pass away. Ere I'll forget all the joy that is mine today.